Welcome back, Webflow creators. Today, I am going to show you how to set up a secure, passwordless login system for your website using Cotter and magic links in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, you need to prepare your login form inside the Cotter developer dashboard. Head over to the Projects section and click on Forms and Fields. This area is designed specifically for the no-code community to customize the look and feel of their authentication screens. The most important part of this step is setting your redirect URL. This is the specific page on your Webflow site where users will be sent immediately after they successfully log in, such as a welcome or dashboard page. Once you have that URL saved in Cotter, you are ready to move into Webflow. Next, open your Webflow project and create two new pages. The first will be your login page, where you should add a simple button that users will click to start the process. The second page is your welcome page, which must have a URL slug that perfectly matches the redirect address you just entered into the Cotter dashboard. Now, navigate to your project settings and find the Custom Code tab. You will need to paste the Cotter loader script into the head code section. Make sure to replace the placeholder text with your actual API key ID found in your Cotter account settings, so the two platforms can communicate securely. Finally, you need to connect your Webflow button to the magic link logic. Go back to the Cotter dashboard under Forms and Fields and look for the purple Login Link button. Click the copy icon to grab that unique link. Head back into the Webflow Diviner, select your login button, and paste that link into the URL field in the Element Settings panel. Once you hit save and publish your site, your users will be able to click that button, receive a secure magic link in their email, and be automatically authenticated and redirected to your private welcome page. If this authentication guide helped you add a professional login later to your site, hit that like button and subscribe for more advanced Webflow tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what kind of member-only content you are building, and I will see you in the next video.